Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. Yeah. Now, I'm going to try and revamp some items that I have. Have you ever, gone out and bought some things, some items, and then you end up not using them and you place them somewhere, and then a few months later, then you find where they are and you're like, oh yeah, I forgot I had these and I don't know what to do with them. Well, that's what I'm going through. So let me share with you with the items I'm going to try and revamp so I might find somewhere or something to do with them. All right, let's get into what we'll be using. Okay, I have this picture frame here, which I have two of them. I believe I got them at Walmart, you guys. I believe it was Walmart I got them from. And I have this mirror design here. This I know for sure I got it at Dollarama. Sorry, guys. I got that from Dollarama. And we'll be using these little gems here. I think I got them from Dollarama. And we also have our mirror glass pieces. I couldn't lift it up. Sorry about that. We have these that I'll be using also. And we have these gems. I'll be using the small ones because the small ones are what you guys can get at Walmart, Michael's, so I'll be using those ones. And we have our E6000 and our glue gun. All right, everyone, let's get started. All right, we're going to start with these crystal gems, and I'm going to be placing them in the little openings going right around our design. I will be placing our small gems going around also. Now for our even smaller gems, we're placing again. Just trying to bling it out, make it look more nice and appealing, giving it a different look. And now I'm just going to add some more of the crystals going around. And now we're going to change up our picture frames, you guys. I'm not going to be using them for pictures. I'm going to use them as a wall decor. So let's start blinging it out. We're going to add the glass pieces. I'm using the back of this piece that comes in it, so I know exactly where to place the mirrored pieces. And since I'm adding the mirrored pieces just to the paper, I don't need to use any glue because they have adhesive on the back of them. And now we're going to add our bling wrap to this piece here that I already cut into strips. And we're just going to bling out the frame. Yeah, to make it look much more nicer. I'm going to add mirrored strips. Mirror strip. OMG! I'm going to add strips of the mirror to the outside of the frame using the E6000 glue to attach them down. I think the cat's got my tongue, you guys. What do you think? And here's our finished look, you guys. I changed the boring picture frames into two pieces of nice wall decor. Yeah. Had them sitting around, I don't know for how many months they've been sitting around my house, not being used because I didn't want to use them anymore for pictures. I had bought a few and I used up the ones I had, and these ones were left over, and I just threw them one side and I totally forgot about them. But I think they look very nice now as mirrored wall decor. Yeah. And here's the other one. Just added some bling to it because it was a nice piece already on its own. But with the added gems, I think it looks very nice, more appealing, more standing out. I like it. I really like this one. And here's how it looked hanging on the wall. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks up on the wall because you get a different effect when you see it hanging on the wall. And here's the other two pieces also hanging on the wall. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did, the revamped DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.